Hello and welcome to this ICT lesson. Today I want to show you how you can download pictures from the internet, save it inside a folder that you will create, and be able to use those pictures in MS Word to make attractive document. I will go right away and show you how to create a folder on the desktop. And the first screen you see after you log into your computer is known as desktop. Here on my desktop, I'm going to create a folder, and the work of the folder is to save files, or you will use folders to organize our files. I'm going to go to any blank area here on the desktop, right click, then point to new folder. So I will click it. Then don't click inside this blue highlighted part. Just type straight on your keyboard so that that text is automatically replaced. So I'm going to type here animals. Then I'm going to press enter. Once my folder is done, I'm going to open it by double clicking it, and this is now inside my folder. Inside here, I want to do a couple of things. I want to create two other folders, one for domestic animals, another one for wild animals. So I'm going again, right click, new folder, then I will give it the name domestic animals, then I will press enter. Another way of creating a folder is to copy the folder which is already made, then you go to a blank area, you right click, then you click paste. After that, you will see the name is not proper. You will have to rename this folder. I will right click a copy of domestic animals, then choose here rename and change the name to wild animals. That is the second way of making folders. So don't be confused. I am inside the main folder called animals. Inside it, I have two folders, one for domestic animals, another one for wild animals. So good, we are going to get pictures, 3 pictures for domestic animals, 3 pictures for wild animals, and save them in these two folders. To do that, I will have to go to the internet, and a program we are going to use is Google Chrome. I'm going to double click here. So while I'm here, I will simply type here lion, then I will press enter. I will come to my images link here of Google search and click images. I can see now I have more pictures of lions. I will choose the one I want. I am deciding to choose the one which looks nice and beautiful. I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to choose this picture of lion. So I'm going to click it, and now you can see it is here. It has downloaded and it is now clear. So I'm going to right click this picture, then I'm going to choose the option save image as. Click it. Now in this in the search box here, we want to do two things. First, we want to locate our folder. And to do that, our folder is on the desktop. So I'm going to click desktop, and you can see my folder is here. But I don't want to save inside the animals. I want to save lion inside another folder called wild animals in the animals folder. So I'm going to open this animals folder by double clicking. Now I can see the other two folders. I'm going to choose this wild animals because lion is not domestic but wild animal. So I'm going to double click. Now you can see the path is here. First animals, then inside animals you get wild animals. That is where I am, and the folder at the moment is empty. Before I click save, I have to give this picture a name, and the name of the picture is related to the name of what it is showing. So I'm going to give it the name lion. After that, I'm going to click save. You can now see here the picture is downloaded and it is inside our folder. I will scroll upward until I reach the search box and change the name here to cheetah. Then I will press enter. You can see all pictures are showing. Let me choose the one which looks sweet. I think this is the best. Once it is in big view like this and the process is not running down here in a line to show that it is downloading, it means now it has downloaded and the picture is clear. I'm going to right click, choose save image as. Now you can see the computer has already remembered previously you are in this folder and it has taken me straight to the previous folder. So the only thing I will do is not to choose a folder right now, but to give it a name. I will just put a name here, cheetah, then click save. It is downloaded down here. Finally, my third wild animal is elephant. Press enter. Then look for a beautiful picture of elephant. Let me decide to choose this one. It has downloaded. I will right click it, choose save image as. Then here I will type elephant. Then click save. You can see it has downloaded. Now I am going to look for domestic animals. Let me start with goat. Press enter. All my goats are here. Let me choose the best picture of a goat. I'm going to choose this one. Wait for it to download. You can see it is running. Once it has downloaded, the picture becomes clear. I'm going to right click and choose save image as. But remember, right now I am inside wild animals folder. I want to get out of wild animals. So I will point to this up arrow and click it. Then now I am outside the wild animals, but inside the animals. Now I'm going inside the domestic animals folder by double clicking it. Now I am inside the domestic animals folder. And here I will just click here and write the name goat and click save. I will scroll upwards and type here sheep. Press enter. and get picture of sheep. I will click this one. When it is now large, right click, choose save image as, and write the name here, sheep. Then click save. Finally, I will look for a picture of cow. Press enter. Look for a nice picture. You are free to choose the one you like. I think for the cow, let me go with this. Waiting for it to download. Then I will just right click, choose save image as, and type here cow, and click save. Then I will just close my application. Now I will go to my folder, double click it. You can see two folders are here. I will start with the domestic animals, double click it. You can see my cow, goat, and sheep. I will move up outside this folder, go to the wild animals, open it. You can see my cheetah, elephant, and lion is shown. So I have pictures inside these two folders. If I close here, I go back to my folder. So the second thing to do is to use the pictures to make a nice and attractive document in MS Word. To do that, I will come to the search box here and type here Word. Then I will go and click this to open MS Word. Go to the blank document, click it. Now in MS Word here, I will write the title, types of animals. Then I will press enter. Below this heading, I will type there are two categories of animals. We have domestic animals and wild animals. Then I will press enter. Below here, I will type domestic animals and press enter. Then press enter again and type wild animals and press enter. So the first thing to do is to color this text. I will select this text and choose size. Let me go with size 20, and color, I want it red, so I will just click here, the color, text color. Then I want a certain type of font which is attractive. I will just scroll this list and choose the one which looks good for me. Let me choose copper black. Then these other smaller headings, I will select that one and press control on the keyboard to allow me to select the second one. I will choose color blue here for them, and I will make them bold with this, and I will increase this to 14, says 14. That is excellent. I will click here below the domestic animals title, and I will now insert picture of domestic animals. I will click insert picture, then desktop, animals, open domestic animals folder, start with the cow, then click insert. You can see this picture is very big, but you just point to the corner of this picture. When you point to it and you see this diagonal double arrow, you just squeeze the picture up to a certain height, maybe there. Then I will click next to the picture, then put space, 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3. Then go back to insert picture, pick my goat, click insert, then I will squeeze at the corner until my goat picture is the same height as the cow picture. Click next to goat picture, press to put 2 spaces, 1, 2, 3. Click insert picture, pick sheep, insert, squeeze at the corner. The reason we are using the corners so that we ensure the picture doesn't lose shape. Don't use this handle, the one in the middle and the one at the center. They will spoil your picture. Just use this one at the corners so that your pictures don't lose shape. I will go and click below wild animals, click insert picture. Now I am inside the domestic animals folder. I want to go up. I will click this arrow and choose here wild animals and open it. Cheetah is there, insert, squeeze at the corners, squeeze until it is the same size as, the height is the same as that one of domestic animals. Then I will click after this cheetah's picture and put 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3. Click insert picture, pick my elephant, insert, squeeze like this, keep on squeezing like that. That is now the picture of my elephant. Click after the picture of elephant, put 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3. Go to insert picture, lion picture, click, squeeze it at the corner here, squeeze it until it fits, just like that. Now you can see my pictures are well arranged in MS Word page, and my document now looks neat. I am going to bolden this text too. Select the text and I will click here bold to make it bold. Then we have domestic animal, and so I am also going to select the name domestic animals and make it bold here and choose color blue for it, like that. I will also select wild animals, click bold and choose color blue for it. Now you can see my picture looks attractive and as well as balanced, because all pictures have the same height, and also my text is nicely colored and looks beautiful. Now you can see my document looks attractive I'm going ahead and saving it in my folder. I will click this save button here, or you can as well click file and choose save. Then here I will choose desktop because my folder is on the desktop. And on the desktop there is one folder called animals. I'm going to click open it. Then I'm going to rename, give this document a name and write its name, animals article, animals article, and I'm going to save it. Remember, I'm not saving it inside these smaller folders. I'm saving it in the main folder, animals. I will click it. And now I will now go ahead and close this MS Word. When I open this folder, you can see it has the document animals. If I double click it, my animals are seen. That is how easy it is to get pictures from internet and use them to make an attractive article in MS Word. Thank you for participating. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.